In this video, we will be showing you how to join a Terrain PVC socket, Boss horn adapter and a ring seal adapter using Solvent Weld, and also connecting a waste horn adapter. The tools we need are a saw, a drill and arbor, a tape measure, a half-round file, Terrain cleaning fluid, Terrain Solvent Weld, Terrain silicone lubricant. First measure, mark, then cut the pipe to desired length before cleaning up any swarf with a half-rounded file. If the fitting has no center guide for the drill, you can remove the drill bit as the correct cutter will self-locate. Remove the drill bit with either an Allen key or screwdriver, depending on the design. Once the drill bit has been removed, connect the arbor to the drill and drill through the boss horn. Make sure you remove any burrs and swarf. Next, wipe clean the external surface of the boss horn and the internal surface of the adapter with Terrain cleaning fluid. Always use Terrain cleaning fluid for this as it removes dirt, site grime, static, and the waxy deposits left over from the production process that can reduce adhesive between the two surfaces. Coat both surfaces with Terrain Solvent Weld, using the brush ensuring they are well coated. Then push the adapter home. Slightly twist and hold for 30 to 40 seconds to help create a strong modulus joint. Remove any excess solvent weld. Insert the rubber ring seal into the PVC ring seal adapter, making sure it is properly home. Clean the interior of the ring seal adapter and the exterior rim of the branch with Terrain cleaning fluid. Coat mating surfaces with Terrain Solvent Weld and snap home the ring seal adapter with a slight twisting motion to ensure the molecules interlock. Make sure to wipe clean any excess solvent weld from inside and outside the fitting. Allow to dry for 15 minutes. Next, take the PVC pipe, make sure there is no swarf on it, and clean it with the Terrain cleaning fluid. After, apply Terrain Solvent Weld to the surfaces and assemble together, again with a slight twisting motion. Remove any excess solvent weld. Before any assembly, take note of the flow direction and make sure it is installed the correct way up. A general installation rule is any ring reel modification will be upstream and solvent weld joint will be downstream. Get the other pipe and chamfer the edge to a 30-degree angle with a file or chamfering tool. This will eliminate the possibility of displacing the seal. After, remove any swarf. Any cut length of pipe needs to be chamfered if it is to make a ring seal joint. Remove all swarf and burrs to prevent removing the seal. Terrain silicone lubricant must be used to prevent this. Apply the Terrain silicone lubricant to the exterior of pipe and interior of the ring seal adapter and assemble. Mark the pipe for expansion allowance. It is important to mark the pipe and move back 12 mm. This is to allow for expansion. Repeat every 4 meters of pipe. For waste pipe entry to boss horn adapter, apply silicone lubricant to boss horn waste adapter and pipe. Then push home.